What's good, YouTube? It's the Asian Phenom back with another exciting toy review. Today we have the Syma S033G 3-channel helicopter with gyro. So straight out of the box, you see all these components. You have the large RC helicopter with the 4-channel remote right here. You got the DC and the AC power supply with additional rear rotor with a little screwdriver, it looks like. And of course, the instruction manual. Okay. So now let's take a close-up look at the RC helicopter itself. This thing is huge compared to the size of my hand right here. Let's check out the logo right here. It says 3D function helicopter, the S033G model 3D helicopter. And I believe it has LED emitting lights along the side right here. Both sides. This is the landing gear. It's very lightweight material. This thing isn't heavy at all. Here's the rear rotor. And I believe the size of this is roughly 31 inches from tip of the main blade to the tip of the tail blade. And 26 inches from the head cover to the tip of the tail blade. This boasts 7.4 volts, 1500 milliampere hours for the battery, and it's made of alloy structure, very unique design. 3-channel gyroscope system for superior stability. The flying options are the typical down, left, right, forward, backward motions. It's got an electronic tuning system for greater stability when in flight, and it has the advanced intelligence balancing system. So what we're going to do now is charge this up, and then we'll take it for a flight test. So right now I have it charging. It emits the lights on the charger itself. It looks like the red with the green. Finally, I have time to test fly it. Here we go. I'm low on battery. It won't even lift off. So might as well give it a review. So now that you guys have seen the flight test, overall I'm not that much impressed by it. It was a little bit hard to control, but I think some trimming adjustments would fix that. I really like the design, and it's somewhat affordable. So this is definitely a beginner, ready to fly out of the box model. It comes in red and yellow. Syma is a pretty nice brand. So on a scale of 100%, I probably just give this a 80%. So hope you guys enjoyed the review. So until next time, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.